Science ISOKO man wado. I beg, moko na listen to what this they can't talk. He get mind, they can't talk this kind thing. For ISOKO when not get light. How many ISOKO community that get light? And even for the community where he manage get light, so how many places, how many streets, how many quarters they get light if they manage bring light, and how the light they day. I don't understand. For ISOKO when we say that ISOKO na it get oil. How many communities na they get oil when they produce oil? Go when they drill, they come out every night, day and night. Yet ISOKO do it day for darkness. With a cry, so many ISOKO get like ISOKO like this idiot. They come and this person they come and they come they talk this kind of rubbish. You know they even they allow the people to even bring the question. You know they even they allow the people to talk. Because they don't say you come back. No, now there's say you come, you can't defend them. You really got a mind. You come and they can't defend them. Abi say ISOKO they get like wait it be 24 more than 24 hours. Then they see more than 24 hours. Oh God of mercy. It is swear. Boko na joy here first. More na joy may not be said na my mouth.
When the gentleman came here, I said ISOKO North and ISOKO South don't have light.
That is not true. That is not true.
I wanted to establish that. That is what he said.
That is not true. ISOKO North and ISOKO South is a very
don't have light. The communities in those
that is not true.
don't have light.
No.
Sorry, sir. Which part have light? Which part don't have light that you're aware of? At least you're aware of.
You are still going. No, you are from the back door. You want to go back to the same question that Bukola asked. My brother, if you say ISOKO North and ISOKO South, you are talking about two local government areas. There are not even three communities that are close together that you will not say they don't have light. Except if they are maybe in very remote, far distance. And even some of the communities like in ISOKO we are talking about, especially in ISOKO South, a number of their communities, because of oil facilities and all those things, they extend light to them more than 24 hours.
You know they allow the people to talk. Because they don't send you come back. No, now there's say you come here, you can't defend them. You really got a mind. You come out, they can't defend them. Abi say ISOKO they get like wait it be 24 more than 24 hours. Then they see more than 24 hours. Oh God of mercy. When I hear what this man they come talk, can you just imagine? Alright, Mariana, no be on a fault. Alright, Mary, because on a get money, when I don't buy solar full house now, or na they carry free diesel for us when we say, oh, I not get problem, I not the experience darkness now, nothing concern on from AC to AC now na the day now. So I don't know what the rest people they pass through now. Even if they talk, they not. But what my problem is say, on my community, people, community, people, land, one they always they run, they go. They go for and they do for a vacation, and they go on and they go so. Now so their community, their places, now so they be. The one that just they ISOKO, now just they leave ISOKO, they like this so. Or the one that just they do leave ISOKO unkept. Or now they leave ISOKO fialakas nyaka fire. Now so people community one that they go so. Now so the community people they and would those people not maintain their community, not maintain their places, they look good, their places look good, fine like that. You go fit they go that side. So your ISOKO, so you not fit maintain your ISOKO. You not fit do your ISOKO, make your ISOKO day well so that people go see come your ISOKO come vacation. Wow, one more fun. All those people when they're responsible for ISOKO not having light, so now they talk to. Because I know say this thing when they happen so. Now some people now sit down or talk this thing. But why it be like that? Why are you people so wicked and heartless? What will it cost you people to provide lights for ISOKO? Shall you not say ISOKO not reach anything? That's all I talk now. Oh, now wanna be politicians, oh, now wanna be leaders. Oh, now say ISOKO not reach anything. ISOKO vote not the cats. ISOKO this is not they do like this. ISOKO not reach anything. ISOKO not do like this. No problem. Why am I not fit provide what ISOKO want for them? But when you reach election, When I go the rock that time Isoko go reach something. As Isoko big reach so. Isoko not reach place where you go get more than 2 local governments. But only 2 local governments now they give us. That one another matter we go treat another day. Why it be like that? Isoko not get light. Single light Isoko not get. This guy you get poor when now this kind poor, now people, community people, places where get lights. Now this kind poor they do NEPA lights. Now this kind poor they do electricity lights. Now they call them. Now this kind poor they do lights. So they need to use Isoko people now. Now they really go on they talk about electricity, they talk about light. You go really gather mind, you open your dirty mouth. You go really trust Isoko get lights. Shabina, for Isoko way they produce or for Isoko way or you get all here. One of the drill all here they come out. The common light, electricity, we not fit provide for this small Isoko and not anything. So roads, that one, no, not go that side first. Move, just track this light matter. You really gather that mind, they call they talk this rubbish.
When the gentleman came,
Who's an organ? What's on when I text no sense and a if it's television on a so where to what won't be you and anybody way they responsible for this Isoko not having lights. We need to provide where you need. Organ Isoko disoko a tell you a poor white bitch where you're be call it whoop be berry. Who's some organ? Organ Isoko with Doisoko. I tell you, white berry. If I put on Isoko, you know, Doma, Isoko, you know, Fuma, Isoko, right now. If I'm more rich Isoko, Isoko, well, man. Why take your Wakedia, can you, Mambo, Wakedia, Corahavo, or have Wakedia, Coraha. If below, I have Wakedia, kept a Waroki, I kept below, I don't know. Any better, I tell you, swaz or any better, Nigger, we get. Imagine the nonsense when they call the open band talk. If they ask you, they even have the people they talk. Did the man go where? What take me? Oh no. Oh no. I say now. Isoko no light, no campaign. But you know about what they now want arrest. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the necessity? I've been the necessity how they speak English. Can you just imagine? Oh, we know we might know the team going. Where you are a fool, you are a crazy. It means about we crazy when you are. Oh, what a word! It won't be so called. What's any year about the Isoko in a run and every Isoko in a run, a Isoko na you and individual and different located. Isoko baby behind, oh, what you pull away, no matter when I saw, I wouldn't say you fear me, matter when I saw one, as I no more, I read the Isoko, with a bone with him win. But what him when Yana? Wait him where they wrote away. What was him weighing? Oh, more, oh, what Bobby no more was your figure meat better. Oh, no, I call well one, oh, Isoko will be rebellion, baby, Beana. Go walk for Ferro Maria Fano. I have this old Maratiano. I have this old Maratiano. You want to remember what this old Marifiano. Go why won't I read Dicky and Isoko will be remembered. It baby eat Beana. Why won't I Dicky and Isoko will be remembered? Baby eat Beana. Go walk for remember what this old Marifiano. I think in a time, maybe in a why eat Beana Isoko be Wohana. Maybe in never one year, maybe in never sway. Kevin Mareluno, Isoko na take in a week back. Brigodeze. We are here and they will not be soon Isoko. This all year way they come out for Isoko so. Ovre ban Isoko na so, you ban Isoko na cats and we ban Isoko na cats and I can want Isoko kaka, ere wata. Ke ban Isoko na cats and I was I be Isoko na what will be biasa. Wa bo be bias obi na gwa fo be ogbe gbe na ori poli logbo de ki logbo na wa ro wi gbe ipo lesese na ya na ofori ti fo yi fo chedai ana ipo li chena wa ro si gbe wa na e wole pa ni soko soso ni ro wi gbe wa nya se ti vote a vote ko wa na kere gbara wa ke yo wa je te gbe ani fa ni phone wa re ru ve gori e wa ni phone wa re ru fi soko wa re ru ayin Why you go to know them that vote to go who and ISOKO vote not a cat. ISOKO this not a cat. Oh my man, you better was your bonnet. Oh, I know if you are ISOKO not baby bear. What's your my yo? Oh, so I saw my big betcha my joy, my head. I just off. Give me ISOKO who go to Soko. Why do you? But I want to man ISOKO who go. You're yelling, no be tuning ISOKO Nasena. If I bet you go now, rule. You go yelling, and if you notice ISOKO na friend, na west, and where I'm moving, and it's in Jeff, and it's in you, and it's in your senator, Anna. Everyone, why you so you go now, rule? What do they do with the money? Everyone, why you go now, rule? Are we ISOKO community people, ISOKO community leaders, ISOKO political leaders, ISOKO people, all of us so. Man, you know, baby, so don't everyone, you go now, rule. You go yelling and be doing ISOKO na be effect that so too for now. Everyone, you go now, rule. Everyone, you rule. ISOKO baby, man, my baby, Pofano, Jaiso, ISOKO Ibe, ISOKO Ibe. No, I want to say, I want to moon. Why you Mariana? Oh, my best for why you want to be better, Pofana. Oh, my best for why, ma. Oh, my wife for why, Jetty. Oh, my wife for why. Why do I go back offer? Why I money buffer? Why I able buffer? Why I buffer by vacation? Why I buffer by geometry? Why when we are working now, my kid, I'm off yes, yeah, working as the geometry vacation, no? What I never want una go arrest people tire. Una go really see people arrest tire. You want to never why moon and I be you why what if I want to think now one mugaga? If there's so much money, so go to cook out one dinner. E wa wa tani soko na re wudo me soko na re wa wojo ke pa na wa lo fo e wi ve fia mo are mo efio yo so no wa wojo wa re ru je lulu wa re sta wa si fi na mu yo wa wojo wa e fo e wi be na fia wo fia e mo no ibe ma re biti dili ni ibe ni na wa be te ni iba hu pa wa reasonality na riti jioreva me di ode de ka bi ke ya wa seba wa weri. Woman, woo!